Hello again, it's Jolene with the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys about Shopify tipping here. So I'm just going to select a random product here from my store. So this is my actual Shopify store. I make modern farmhouse home decor. I'm going to select this pillow. I'm going to add it to the cart. And I just want to show you here when we hit checkout, what comes up on my checkout page. So you'll have all of your email contact information and your address, all that kind of information, your credit card. And then along the bottom here, you can select add a tip. Now I have turned this function on in my Shopify store on purpose. So I've got it set up for 5%, 10%, 15%, none, or a custom tip. And now I want to show you guys how you can do it. So go back into your actual Shopify store where you would manage your store. And once you're on your home page, click Settings, which will be in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you're going to select Checkout. And then you're just going to scroll down here through your checkout and up pops your tipping option. So you can select the preset amounts that you would like people to be able to choose from. You can click the tipping option on and off on your checkout. And you can also hide the tipping options until customers choose to add a tip. So this means that the 5%, 10%, 15% would only pop up as options after the customer says, yes, I would like to have a tip. So if you like these videos, please hit subscribe. I'll make more for you. Have a great day.